Hi, good day. My name is Glinda Domingo, 39 years old, widow with three daughters. My eldest one is 18, the second is 17, and the third one is 13. I have work experience in Singapore for 6 years. My first employer, I worked for her for 4 years. My job is to take care of the children. The first child is 7 years old and the second one is 2 years old. My main duty is to send and fetch them to school, and after that, I bring them to the playground and play, and then at night time, I read some storybooks and help for their homework, and I also do washing the clothes, cleaning, ironing, and cooking. And to my second employer, I worked there for 2 years. I also take care of two children. The first one is 10 years old and the second one is 2 years old. I also send and fetch them from school, and I bring them to the playground and play, and at night time I help them to do their homework, and I also do washing the clothes, cleaning, cooking, and ironing. And if Saturday and Sunday, we go out to the playground and play together with the kids, and I enjoy playing with them. In 2019, I work in Hong Kong. We have 8 helpers in one house, and I also take care 2 kids, but my main job is to take care of the 5 years old boy. Every day, I'm the one who look after him, play with him, read storybook, and cook for his breakfast, and I also do cleaning, ironing, and wash the clothes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family, and I know Hong Kong is a better place and safe place for a helper like me. And if you give me an opportunity to hire me, I do all my best, and I'm a very hardworking, have initiative, fast learner, and I am willing to learn about from you. And I'm happy to serve your family. Thank you.